everybody, welcome back, welcome to my channel. So today your girl is looking rough. This is how I've been looking the last month or so. I've been exercising and not giving a crap about my hair, and it's about time I get it done, and I want to do it. I'm thinking about doing a silk press or just blowing it out. I think I'm gonna do a silk press, but it's just a matter of just sweating back out. So yeah, let me get into it and show you what's underneath. Don't click out yet, because I know it looks a mess. Don't click out yet. It's matted. It's matted and whatnot. Let me do a close up so you can see them dandruff, flakes and what. This is a close up of it. It looks a mess. I have a scrunchie tied up in the back. For the longest I had cornrows in it. Then I took the cornrows because I was wearing my wigs, and then I took the cornrows out, and then now it's looking like it's so like it's matted. Yo, it was matted. It's matted. Oh my god. So I'm gonna comb it out. Try to comb it out. It's grown a lot, but I know I'm gonna have to cut some because the ends probably are all bad. You see this tangle here? Lord knows it hurts. I have dry scalp too. So far, this is how much hair has come out. It's tangled. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bougie. Cooking up with a ooze. 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. All set. All set. In the nape area, this is really tangled in the back. This was in the back, like I have braids, like I have freaking braids in my hair, and it wasn't even braids, it's just matted, like a little lion. More of this white stuff. Look how much flakes are on my shirt. If you get this from just wearing cornrows, let me know, because that means it's time to take it out. But your girl got a lot going on back here in this nape area. Or this is how much hair I have lost. My hair has grown so far from just, but you can tell it's uneven already. My ends look crazy. And this is just before I wash it. I'm just trying to get an estimate of how bad it looks, how dirty. Drink my scalp, how dirty it is. All this flakes and stuff. My shirt is super dirty, full of flakes. So I'm about to wash my hair and I'll be back. I'm gonna share our walls and this nasty thing there dangling from there.
Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true, and I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is
detangled it mostly.
Anything you want from me.
How much hair
Anything you need.
and it has stuff still in it. So I detangled it and that's how much came out.
Anything you want from me. Anything you want. Anything you need.
So see how many dandruff this is that's left over, and it's some on my shirt. I'm gonna rewash my hair because some pieces were not as clean. So I just want you to see it's okay if you get dandruff on your scalp or you start shedding dandruff. Just rewash your hair. Take another day and rewash your hair. See the dandruff? Gotta rewash it. I had to clean the scalp like this, but I shouldn't have to do this. I should just have a clean scalp.
All set.
Hey, we did the most, yeah. Pull up and goes, yeah. My diamonds a choker, holding up, I with no holster. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Magic with the brick do voodoo. Then I send the bitch through Uber. I'm young and rich and plus I'm bougie. I'm not stupid, so I keep the oozing. Case on records, get back, case on back, so my money making my back. We from the north, yeah, that way. Back cookie blunt in the ass, just national smash. Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let them birds take a bath.